People are making millions of dollars online in 2025 without the hassle of managing inventory. Welcome to the world of dropshipping, a business model that's helping thousands of people earn millions from home with just a laptop and internet connection. In this video, I'll introduce you to how dropshipping works, a step-by-step detailed guide, and how you can get started even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or someone just exploring online income streams, this could be your first step toward financial independence. To start, go to Shopify's official website and click Start Free Trial. Enter your email, create a password, and choose a store name. This will also be your default domain. Once you're in, Shopify will guide you through basic setup questions like your business location and what you plan to sell. After entering those, you'll land in your Shopify dashboard. From there, go to the Online Store section and click Themes to choose a free or paid theme that fits your brand. Click Customize to edit your homepage, add your logo, change fonts, colors, and layout. Next, head to Pages and create must-have pages like About Us, Contact, Refund Policy, and Privacy Policy. Then go to Settings, Payments, to connect a payment method like PayPal or Stripe, and Shipping. Once your store is set up, the next crucial step is finding trending products that actually sell. Start by browsing dropshipping apps like AutoDads, Zendrop, or Spocket. These platforms highlight hot-selling and fast-moving items based on current demand. You can also use tools like Google Trends, TikTok's Made Me Buy It hashtag, or Amazon's Best Sellers list to spot what's popular right now. Look for products that solve a problem, have a wow factor, or are unique and hard to find locally. When choosing products, always check supplier ratings, shipping times, and profit margins. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least a 2 to 3x markup. For example, if a product costs you $5 including shipping, price it at $14.99 to cover marketing and still leave room for profit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.